some hamburgers today. I'm gonna be sauteing some onions and mushrooms and things. And so what I found out, that I've been sauteing so many things that I do have saute lids for when I put down my mushrooms, my onions, bell peppers, whatever it may be. I got a cover to kind of steam them, right? But what I found is I grill so much, little lids aren't big enough, right? So I've been looking for some. Come up with is I decided to create my own. And so what I did is I went by one of the local box stores and got some cake pans. These are a perfect size right here. I think these are about like 11 by 18, and they fit perfectly properly on here, so you can saute a big amount. Only problem is it's a cake pan. So what I did, went down to my local thrift store and I bought some lids. You can find lids that people just don't have use for, and they go and they donate them. So you can buy lids like this for 50 cents, $1, $2 sometimes. All I was worried about was the knob. So I got one that's a really good knob. Put the knob up. Here's the knob. So what I'm gonna do is drill a hole in the cake pan here, in this, and put the knob on it. So for that, I've got me a block here. I've marked off the center of this sheet pan, put a dot on there, and now what I'm going to do is take a punch this out a little bit, just so I can get my drill. Drill a hole the size of the bolt. There's the bolt hole. Unscrew the bolt. I believe this goes through the bottom to hold the handle in place. Right through the hole. Other washer. Nice little holder there. Nice and tight. Look at this. Beautiful handle here. I've got another one over here I'm going to do off camera, so just so I can saute double. And there you have them both. One, two. Ready to go.